Hey, hair enthusiasts! Here we're unraveling the excellent secrets to vibrant hair. Get ready to discover the unique benefits of eggs for your locks. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Protein source. Hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin. Eggs are rich in high-quality proteins that provide the building blocks necessary for hair growth and repair. Hair growth. The protein content in eggs helps support hair growth by providing the necessary nutrients to the hair follicles. Strength and resilience. The proteins in eggs help strengthen the hair strands, making them more resilient to damage from everyday wear and tear. Vitamins. Eggs contain various vitamins essential for hair health, including B-complex vitamins, like biotin and folate, and vitamin D. Biotin, in particular, is known for promoting healthy hair and preventing hair loss. Minerals. Eggs are a good source of minerals like zinc and sulfur, which play a role in maintaining healthy hair structure and promoting hair growth. Shine and luster. The healthy fats present in eggs can enhance the natural shine and luster of the hair, making it look more vibrant. Moisture and hydration. Eggs contain fats that can help moisturize and hydrate dry and brittle hair, reducing frizz and improving overall manageability. Preventing hair breakage. The combination of proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats in eggs can help prevent hair breakage, leading to longer and healthier hair. Scalp health. Eggs can contribute to a healthy scalp due to their nutrient content. A healthy scalp provides a favorable environment for hair growth. Repairing damaged hair. Eggs can help repair hair that has been damaged by chemical treatments, heat styling, or environmental factors. The proteins and nutrients in eggs can aid in restoring the hair's strength and texture. pH balance. Eggs can help restore the natural pH balance of the scalp, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Reduced hair loss. The nutrients in eggs, including biotin and zinc, can help reduce hair loss by strengthening the hair follicles and promoting a healthy scalp. Improved elasticity. The proteins and nutrients in eggs can enhance the elasticity of the hair strands, reducing the risk of hair breakage. As we conclude our egg-cellent journey, thank you for joining me in exploring the magic of eggs for healthy hair. If you're as egg-cited as I am, drop a like and comment below. Stay tuned for more hair wisdom on health is wealth. Until next time, take care and keep those tresses radiant.